Hi, I'm admin Ginny from Ginny Molly Weasley. This is an admin video I've been seeing everybody doing, so I thought I would do one. Thank you on helping us get 1,000 likes. Everybody who shared, everybody who liked, obviously. We couldn't have done it without you. So thanks a lot. Also, on the admin competition, it's going to end tonight at midnight. I have a world clock up, so I'll be checking when every country hits midnight. If your country's past midnight, but like not all the other countries have, you can still go, but once I post the status that it's over, you have to stop. I have about 25 to 30 entries, so bear with me. I'm gonna take a while to look over them all. I have to compare them and eliminate and all that. It might take me a while, so just don't complain, please. I'm gonna be on this weekend, so that will be a problem. So I'll try and get him announced by Tuesday. I don't know about that though, because I do have homework and I have to practice this thing. And yeah, that's really about it. Thank you for helping us hit 1,000 likes. Oh, ask the admin. You can post questions in the comments. You can only ask about 2 each person. I'm only answering 10 people.